Have you ever thought about trying a plant-based diet? Whether you're curious about the health benefits or just want to make a positive change in your lifestyle, let's explore why you should give it a try. A plant-based diet focuses on foods from plants, fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, oils, grains, legumes, and beans. This doesn't mean you have to go completely vegan or vegetarian. Instead, it's about proportionately choosing more plant-based foods. Plant-based diets, like the Mediterranean or vegetarian diet, are backed by solid research. These diets emphasize whole, unprocessed foods that are naturally low in unhealthy fats and high in essential nutrients. Studies show that these diets can reduce the risk of heart disease thanks to their high content of heart-healthy fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties. They also help manage diabetes, lower the risk of certain cancers, and even combat depression by promoting a balanced mood and mental well-being. They are also rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, these diets ensure you get a wide range of nutrients necessary for overall health. By incorporating a variety of plant-based foods, you provide your body with everything it needs for optimal health, energy, and longevity. Healthy fats from olive oil, nuts, and seeds are essential for a balanced diet. These fats not only provide energy, but also support brain health and reduce inflammation. Avocados are another excellent source of healthy fats, rich in vitamins and minerals. Incorporating these into your meals can enhance flavor and nutrition. And don't forget, you can still enjoy smaller amounts of fish, poultry, and even the occasional dairy product while reaping the benefits of a mostly plant-based lifestyle. Including a variety of these foods ensures you get a wide range of nutrients, making your diet both delicious and nutritious. Starting small is easy. Try filling half your plate with vegetables, cook a vegetarian meal once a week, or enjoy whole grains for breakfast. Simple swaps can make a big difference. Did you know that a mostly raw vegan diet has shown significant benefits for people with fibromyalgia? This diet, rich in fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, can provide essential nutrients that help in reducing inflammation and boosting overall health. Studies suggest that people following such a diet experienced reduced pain, fatigue, and depression. These improvements can make a significant difference in the quality of life for those suffering from chronic pain conditions. While the science is still evolving, a plant-based diet could be a helpful tool for those managing chronic pain conditions. Consulting with a healthcare provider or a nutritionist can help tailor this diet to individual needs, ensuring that all nutritional requirements are met while potentially alleviating chronic pain symptoms. Even if you don't have fibromyalgia, eating more plant-based meals has no downside. A healthier diet means a healthier body, helping you avoid diseases like cancer or cardiovascular issues in the long run. Why not give it a try? The benefits of a plant-based diet are clear, and it could be just the change your body needs. It's all about balance and enjoying more foods that nourish and protect you. So why not start today? A healthier, happier you is just one meal away.